What's up, y'all? Welcome back to yet another edition of As Told by Bree. I am, of course, Bree, and we are back for yet another apartment hunting video. Currently headed to this apartment complex called Star Metals, and it's in the West Midtown area, so y'all are along with me for the ride. I'm really excited to start doing these videos again because I think I have some really exciting news coming for y'all soon, and I think that I'll be able to help you guys in a different way when it comes to finding apartments and helping you guys get settled in Atlanta. So definitely stay tuned for that. Keep your eyes out and your ears open for more apartment hunting videos coming, and a big special announcement that I think will help all of us, help me help y'all. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and take a look at the first apartment. And this here, oh, we have something over here.
Yeah, this is the washer and dryer, so this one's not stacked. It's a little lights, sorry.
Cool.
Side by side.
A lot of space for that.
I know, and you're gonna have a little like shelf up there to put all of your laundry detergent. You can stack things, just start folding.
Cool.
I think that one's like a pantry.
Okay, so similar to the other one that we just looked at.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've seen some people use this as like a shoe closet, like a coat closet, etc., because you can take those things out.
Yeah, because in the other one you had so much space.
And then here's another closet.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, you have tons of space.
Oh, yeah.
Space is not an issue. A lot of storage space. Oh, cute. So this is the living room area here.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have the living room, floor to ceiling windows again, and I know this view is beautiful at night.
Oh, yeah. It's crazy. One thing I do want to mention is the little bar we have right out here. They do have loud music, so sometimes they can be a little loud.
Oh, down here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Northside Tavern.
Got it. Okay.
But
I've
for
never
the most
heard of
part,
that.
It's good music, so you get a free show.
I love this island. Nice and spacious. You could put some bar stools here.
You have like a little dining nook back here. It's
Okay.
so precious.
Yeah.
You put a little like office space there, dining table.
Yeah, I can imagine. People probably get real creative with that, having that extra space. Cool. And what's the price on this one?
This one's like 33, 34.
Okay,
It's around
got
that
it.
range.
Alrighty. Cute. Alrighty. And the bedroom. It's one right here, right?
So this is the master bedroom right here. Closet space is outrageous.
I love this view. These windows are everything.
Obsessed.
Yeah, these windows are everything. So relaxing.
They're so cute. I just get caught in staring. I'm like, wait, I was trying something.
Yeah, I love this closet. So nice. So nice. Around this way, bathroom. Cute bathroom. So I take it this is on the opposite side of the building than the last one that we saw.
Yes. Yeah, because that's west side. Yep. So this is a little bit more like an east side facing view.
Got it. Okay, cool. And this is the second floor, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I love this space here. It's a really open floor plan.
Oh yeah. Some of our 2 bedrooms have such crazy space. I should have more to show you.
So lovely. I just love the windows. I know I keep saying that, but the windows are amazing.
Oh yeah, they're a hard sell.
Yeah.
Or is that the right word? You know what I mean.
Yeah, this is so relaxing. Like if you had your bed here and then your TV over there,
Yeah, you can just chill and be like,
or literally relax. And it doesn't feel like you're only on the second floor.
I know, it does feel higher.
Yeah, because of all the buildings, it does make it feel like you're higher in the city. Cute. It's really great for organization.
Yeah.
Yes, if someone's like a really organized person, these closets would be a great fit for them. And has someone lived in this unit before?
Someone's lived in this one. I don't know if anyone's lived in the 153 though.
Okay,
So
got it.
that one might be brand spanking new.
This is so cool.
And then if you want to get a little video straight back there too, we have a little nook.
Cool. It's like a whole coffee shop. It kind of reminds me of being back in college. This is so cool. Just come downstairs and get some work done. Yeah, it's so cool. Cool.
And it's like 300 workouts per round on it, so it's like having your own personal trainer.
Nice. A really spacious gym.
Oh yeah, it's amazing.
Cool.
We have a little corner in the back right. We have our aromatherapy towels, which you can see are pretty popular. We're
I
down
see.
to our last one. We have the concierge know that.
Thank you. Oh yeah, you guys have a really nice outdoor space.
Oh yeah. I'll show you that in a second.
Okay.
Next, I'm going to show you the Celebrity Lounge. This is more of like our resident like communal space. People work from home here. We have like med students come up here and study, and it's also where we have the majority of our events.
Cool. What kind of resident events do you guys do?
We just had like a holiday party. Primarily just like holiday parties, stuff like that.
Nice. Cool beans. It's so quiet. Oh, essential with an S. Essential with an S, right? Not a C. Okay. Oh, cute.
Residents can rent out this space. We had somebody rent it out, I think, 2 days ago and watched the game.
Cool. How much does it cost to rent that space out?
I think it's $500 flat fee and then $500 security that you can get back. You know.
Got it.
and
Yeah.
destroy the space.
Cool.
And then I show you outside.
I know.
We do have our little like pool table area here. We have our egg chairs. Right back there, we have our grill space. We have a bocce ball court with 2 more dining areas. Then we have our pool.
Cool.
Our developer was from Miami, so we tried to give it like a resort kind of feel.
Nice.
And then straight back behind like the pool vibe sign, we have our overlook.
Oh, nice. You get a nice view of the city. Cool. Oh, one thing about it, black is actually my favorite color. So I really love this backsplash. It might be dark gray, but it kind of looks like black. Is it black?
Yes.
Got it.
On our, this is 7. On our odd floors, we have the black backsplash, and then on our even floors, I think it's like
Gray. Got it. This one seems a little bit smaller, but it does have a patio.
Yes.
Okay, and you can kind of see the city a little bit. Seems like if we were just a floor higher, maybe 2 floors higher, you could see a little bit more of it.
You start to clear a lot more on the starting floors, so like 8 and 9.
Okay, got it. This rain is so relaxing. Maybe I will sit on my balcony today.
And then let me just sit out there and sleep.
This is so cute. I love these floor plans. All of them are so nice. I think the windows definitely add a lot to it.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. Oh, is there a light in here? Okay, it's on this side.
I know, I was like, is it right here? Oh, goodness.
Nice. Washer and dryer is also in the closet. Cute.
Sorry, I was just listening to the rain.
So is the only difference or the main difference between this unit and the last unit that we saw the fact that this one has a balcony?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the other one basically, so there's the same, is it the same square footage?
No, the other one was actually a little bit bigger because it doesn't include the balcony space. This one I think is around like 740 square feet, whereas the other one was like around 800.
Got it. Alrighty. So I just left Star Metals, and that was a really nice property. And honestly, I think they showed me some stuff that I didn't see the first time that I came here, what's really cool is that they had this cafe on the first floor. So I'll insert some clips if you guys haven't seen them already. That way you guys can see that they have like a little coffee shop down there. It kind of reminded me of being back in college and being at Coleman Library. For those of y'all who don't know, I went to FAMU. I feel like I talk about this all the time, but if you're new here, I went to Florida A&M University, better known as FAMU. And yeah, I really enjoyed that tour. He showed me four different floor plans. He showed me two bedroom floor plans, and he showed me two 1-bedroom floor plans as well. Let me get my ticket so I can get out of here. And I had to valet my parking. Your first 2 hours of parking are free. So he showed me around. His name was Wesley. I think his name was Wesley. And basically,
Or scan your monthly card. Transaction rejected. Please scan your ticket or scan your monthly card.
we're good to go. Alrighty, so yeah, he showed me four floor plans, and he did say that they have some specials going on, but as you guys know, specials change all the time, so it might be best to call up here and see what specials they're offering when you are looking to move. And this spot was really nice. All of the units have floor-to-ceiling windows in both the bedroom and the living room. The floor plans were actually a nice size. I didn't look at any of the floor plans and say this is too small, like I wouldn't be able to live in this. But then again, I have only lived in apartments, like I said, that are under 650 square feet. So anything above 650 square feet is pretty big to me. But I enjoyed looking at that apartment complex. The amenities were nice. They had a nice lounge area, which I think was on the top floors. They had a really nice rooftop pool that overlooked the city. That was cool. We didn't really get to go out there because it is raining today here in Atlanta, as you guys might see. Yeah. But I really did enjoy it. Star Metals is cool. They're about a year old. They've been around since August of 2020. So about a year, give or take about a year. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at Star Metals. I enjoyed looking at them. Honestly, if I wasn't locked into my lease, I would explore Star Metals. If the price was right and the view was right, I would explore. I think it's pretty cool. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, stay tuned because I think I have a special announcement coming up for y'all. Hopefully I know for sure by the end of the week. That way we can get this show on the road. Okay? So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because we'll be back with more apartment tours. So I'll see you on my next video.